But we're going to this boba place right now. What is up, you guys? My name is Selena, and today's gonna be a tutorial showing you guys how to do this vlog whip transition, just like kind of how Jake Paul does in his vlogs. So let's get started. Okay, so basically I have my vlog clip that I'm talking in, and then I'm gonna whip to this next clip of me drinking boba. Okay, so you're gonna need to leave a little bit of space at the end of your first clip after you're talking a little bit. So I left a little bit of space, and then I'm gonna press C for cut and just cut the end right after the audio ends where I left a little bit of space. Okay, now I have this preset called the 6 screens preset, and you can download it for free in the link below, and then you can search it up in effects and put that onto your clip. And then you're going to change the scale to 300 so that it goes back to normal. And then now to create the whip, we're going to keyframe the position. So at the beginning of the clip, press the keyframe button for position, and then go to the end of the clip and then bring that position all the way to the right, or you can go all the way to the left. But I'm just bringing it all the way to the right. So now if you watch it back, it has this little whip. But we want to add some blur to it so you can barely see what the clip looks like. So in effects, I'm going to search up Directional Blur and then put that on our clip. And then we can go down to the blur length, and then you can adjust this to however much you want. I just like to play around with it on how the clip is, but let's just keep it at 16, and then we're going to change the direction to 90. So now you can see it just whips really fast. And now, like Jake Paul, you should have like some sort of sound effect. So you can download this. I'll leave a link to this in the description, but it's basically just the whip transition sound effect. And then I just cut it so that it matches where my clip is. And then I just put it where my whip transition is taking place. Okay, so one thing you could do is if you're making a lot of vlogs and you want it to be very simple and easy to use this effect, instead of going through this tutorial and just like keep repeating all the steps, what you can do is just save it as a preset. So go to your clip with the effect on it, and then just hold command and then press the motion and all the replicate mirror effects from our 6 screens effect and the directional blur. And then you can right click and then press save preset, and then you can name it whatever you want. I'm just saving it as vlog whip transition. And so now I'm just gonna create another cut at the end of my clip here, and then show you how this preset can be used. So in effects, I'm gonna search up my vlog whip transition and then put it on the end of that cut. And then if you watch it back, you can see that same effect of whip. And so sometimes it's gonna be slower or it'll look different depending on how long your clip was. So you can definitely keep adjusting like the blur length and stuff. Or sometimes if you think it's going too slow, you can press Command R and then speed it up. So I'm just speeding this one up to 200%, so it's double the speed. And now you can see the whip transition is a lot faster. Okay, so I'm also going to leave a link in the description if you are too lazy to go through these steps, to where you can download the preset that I just made using this tutorial. But yeah, you can probably go through the steps and it'll be a lot simpler. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.